On the back of Slinex Outdoor Panels, there is a mode switch button. By default, all panels come with a 2-megapixel camera mode, but you can switch the camera to 1-megapixel or analog mode. Let's see how it works. To switch the camera mode, you need to power the panel by connecting it to the monitor and activating the viewing mode. Then, remove the cover and press the mode switch button. Depending on the panel model, this can take from 10 to 20 seconds. The camera modes switch in sequence. First, 2 megapixels, then 1 megapixel, followed by analog mode, and so on in a loop. Example of full HD image, 2 megapixels. Example of 1 megapixel image. Example of analog image,